Yo, we back at it again with an Aldi's special this time. I had never seen this anywhere besides Aldi's. This is like my first time going to Aldi's. It's Summit Gridlock Paradise. It almost kind of looks like, it kind of reminds me of Call of Duty Zombies, like a perk. Anyway, how do you know? It's about that time. I don't know what that smells like, but it's interesting. It tastes like the green apple Jolly Rancher C4 if it's flat. Like, it took too long to drink it and it's kind of like syrupy. It's understandable why it was only $1.29. I'm gonna give it a 0 out of 10 solely because it feels like each sip is a miniature heart attack. I don't like it. Don't recommend it. Doses.